Your body's smart. Do you believe that? Whenever we have an injury to the spine or really to any joint, the body, because it's so intelligent, wants to stabilize that injury. So an injury causes, like, let's say if we injure a finger, it causes it to over move, and it could tear tissue, tear connective tissue. So the body knows that that torn connective tissue doesn't allow that joint to be stable anymore. So the body rapidly lays down scar tissue to give stability and try to protect that joint. It's a great mechanism in the short term. But the problem comes in is that as scar tissue continues to build, that joint gets tighter and tighter and tighter over time and loses its normal flexibility. When we look at an infant, how flexible they are, and an older person, how rigid they are, it's a process of the body having laid down scar tissue around the injured joints. When we say injured joints, what are we talking about? It might be one specific injury like a bad fall or an auto wreck or something like that, but it also might be just the injury that occurs from bad posture. This irritation over a lifetime causes this buildup of scar tissue. But fortunately, we have techniques that are built to help remobilize and to create the flexibility back into the joint slowly over time, giving the body a chance to rebuild normal, healthy connective tissue. Now, those techniques are a combination of chiropractic adjustments, but they have to be done very specifically and very gently, and specific stretching techniques that are exactly opposite of how the injury was, and both in-office and home traction techniques that stretch the tight tissue slowly over time, rebuilding the normal flexibility and allowing your intelligent body to rebuild healthy, normal connective tissue so the joint can go back to its normal position and function normally. Now, why is that so important? We know that our frame, our skeletal system, is built to protect our all-important nerve system. When I say all-important nerve system, the way we stay healthy is the brain sends strength and energy down the spinal cord, the lifeline of the body, to every cell in our body and tell our body how to stay healthy. And then the body sends signals, information back up to the brain to say how it's doing. And this communication loop from brain to body is how we stay healthy. But that communication loop can only work properly if we have normal upright posture. From different injuries, our spine misaligns out of its normal position, and this is where the body starts to lay the scar tissue down. If we can free the scar tissue and recorrect the posture, then the nerve system can get freed and the body can heal. We always want to check to see if your spine's flexible and in normal posture. If it is, you can be the healthiest you ever.